Alright guys, I'm at the International Airport waiting for the flight, which is at 7 and it is now 5:30. So, and got myself a Hugo juice. It's gonna be about a 2.5, 3 hour flight. So. Alright guys, so I just got to the hotel. This is what the hotel room looks like. I'm at the MGM Grand. This is the West Wing. It's nothing fancy. It gets the job done. This is the room here, and yeah, here's the TV. And you get the view of almost the Strip, almost. So the back alley of the Strip. So here we go. Give you guys a picture. There it is. You can see some lights in the back. Alright, stay tuned for more videos, guys.